What's up, guy? I hope you are well, and I'm here just a little bit, get some cool. Um, Today I'm gonna continue my previous video on the phone setting. Today I'm gonna explain you about airplane mode. What is airplane mode? Most of you guys using the phone is our profile with airplane mode. Airplane mode or aeroplane mode, flight mode, offline mode, standalone mode is a setting available on many smartphone, portable computer, and other electronic devices that when activate sustain radio frequency signal transmission by the device nearby displaying Bluetooth telephony and Wi-Fi. GPS may or may not disable because the GPS is another function to track location. It's not about the radio frequency. Um, it's another way. Flight mode always activate and you cannot use Wi-Fi, but some mobile phone you can enable it after flight mode is activated. It does involve transmission radio wave. This is a GPS. Maybe may not may or may not disable the because GPS just not involve a transmission radio wave. The same comes from the prohibition by many airlines of using equipment transmission radio frequency signal while in flight. Use airplane mode prevent device from transmitting. Or when the airplane mode is activated, it disables all voice, text, telephony, and other signal transmission technologies such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth can be enabled separately even while the device is in airplane mode. This is acceptable some on aircraft receiving radio frequency signal as by a radio receiver and satellite navigation services. It's not inhibited. However, even a receive telephone call and message without responding would be required the phone to transmit. A smartphone in airplane mode is effectively a PDA. You can see here if you are using Huawei P10 Plus, I'm tutorial and explain you on Huawei P10 Plus. So airplane mode, you can see it symbol with airplane. That is airplane symbol. In a recent review in October 2013, the United States for the Aviation Administration FAA made a recommendation in the use of the electronic devices in airplane mode. Cellular telephony is disabled. While Wi-Fi may be used if the carrier offers it short-range transmission, such as Bluetooth, is always permissible. So you can go to the setting and you can see airplane mode here. If you disable or you activate airplane mode, so the signal will be lost and the Wi-Fi going to off and also Bluetooth, but you can enable it separately here. Yeah, so Wi-Fi is